Compliance, innovation, reliability, quality, and profitability. These are what define success in the aerospace and defense industry. A missed regulation, a quality defect, or even the smallest mistakes can lead to big consequences. Crippling profitability, destroying partnerships, jeopardizing brand reputation, and, most importantly, risking people's safety. Faced with challenges from stringent regulations, increasing demands, disruptive supply chains, security concerns, talent shortages, and the need to accelerate product development, aerospace and defense companies struggle with a lack of agility. These challenges are varied and complex, but ultimately they boil down to the same fundamental problem, which Infor has identified as the change agility gap. What does this look like in practice? It looks like companies constantly switching between platforms and portals to stay updated on new requirements, avoiding fines and contract losses. Employees find themselves stretched thin, striving for efficiency without compromising quality. Meanwhile, teams dedicate hours on budget analysis instead of driving innovation. This change agility gap in aerospace and defense is a significant problem, especially for those who want to stay ahead of the curve and deliver a better customer experience without increasing costs. Infor's aerospace and defense-specific solutions provide real-time visibility over the entire manufacturing process, allowing businesses to efficiently meet customers' evolving needs. Our solution focuses on remaining compliant, prioritizing quality, innovating and scaling quickly, and maintaining profitability. Discover a faster, smarter, more agile version of your aerospace and defense business with Infor.